Did I get any mail or boxes today? Let me go check. Oh, a science kit for me. Wow. Let's get this inside. Oh, hey guys, I didn't notice you. Welcome to the Kid Science Corner. Today I've got an unboxing video for us to do. I've got a new science kit right here, and I'm going to show you what's inside of it. So let's get it open. Let's do this part of it first. So this is the part of a science kit. Okay, see? Take a closer look. It has some instructions and pictures. Wow, and look at all this stuff. They're sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is basically baking soda. This is also, it has another copy of that. This is citric acid and sodium carbonate. This is food coloring, and this is citric acid, and another pack of sodium carbonate right here. This is some solid fuel. Wow, pretty neat. Here's some liquid soap. Here's a little scooper where you can take stuff and put it in something. Here's some measuring spoons and stuff. Here's some little wooden sticks, long wooden sticks. Oh, here's some, let's see, what's that? Sheets of foil, wow. And here are some gloves. Okay, put those all back. Okay, well, that was the first science kit that we have here. Now let's check this tiny one out. Wow, I think these are VR glasses, virtual reality glasses. Wow. Oh, it has a place to put your iPhone and you can see things through it. This is a little small, so we're going a little bigger. Let me put that inside. Oh, it's a little hard. I'll just leave that to the side, it's fine. There we go. And here's the part I'm really excited for. Oh, before that, here's some instructions and warning causes and stuff that are inside. Oh, wow. Look at all this. This is like an instructions book, and experiments. This is a tray. These are some disposal cups, as all these plastic disposal cups. And it also has some big disposal cups. That back. Wow, here are the stoves for the experiment. Here is the flame diffuser. There. Here is another stove. Is there anything inside? No. Here is the smartphone holder. Here are the little here is the little the caps for all the tubes and stuff. Here's a little mini funnel. Here are, of course, safety goggles. Oh wow, it comes with 2 pairs. It's cool. Okay. here is another funnel, but this time it's big. And this is so cool. This is a little beaker, like a beaker. And these caps is for this beaker, too. You can stick on for caps and stuff. That funnel there. That's all. Oh, put these in. Okay, well that was for today's video. I know we didn't do an experiment today, but next video, make sure you watch the next video because we're doing an experiment from this science kit. Well, see you later. Bye.